Welcome to Planter Garden TV. How you guys doing today? I hope you guys give thanks this morning just to wake up. Just to wake up and see that you're okay. Just to wake up that you can walk outside. Just wake up that you can see the daylight. Look how beautiful today looking. Wonderful. So I got to give thanks to the Most High. You know. Today's a day I'm here digging some banks, preparing. That's what I'm doing every time I get a chance. I'm preparing for the spring. You know, these are some eddos. These are some eddos that I have that I'm saving for the spring. I have a lot more, but during the spring they're gonna start to shoot. They're gonna start to shoot out like an eye. So when it starts shooting out those eyes, you could cut, sometimes you could get 4 plants out of one eddos. So I'm just saving them right now and waiting for the spring. Here I have potato. I don't have this, I never plant this kind of potato. So I'm trying it this year, so I went and buy some by the store. So next year I ain't got to buy none because I'm gonna save some. So I don't know, this one, it's cost $3.98 for one. I have a few of them. The reason for buying them now, by the time spring you go to the store, people already buy them out. So if you wanna get prepared now for this spring, start getting your stuff them, okay? This is it right here. This one even start pushing out an eye. You see? It's already start pushing out the eye. So this is getting ready for plant, but I don't want to plant it now because the earth is still cold. So I have like 5 I get out of this box. But out of this 5, you could get at least 20 plants because they're going to push out eyes. See like how they push out eye there? You push out several eyes. So now you got to cut them. You could get at least 4 out of this one. Yeah, so I'm basically preparing myself for when the spring comes, I'm ready. So I'm digging, so when the spring comes, all I got to do is plant. So I have my eddos. I have some onions too. I'm going to try onions too. I tried some garlic last year that I get from home, that you buy from the supermarket. So I try to plant them, but nothing. I ain't get nothing from them. So someone tell me, no, you can't use those. You got to basically get the seed. So you got to go to wherever sell them, and let me show you. You see this? This is onion. This is the seeds. So you see how much onion plants you could get for $3.99? Look the amount. $3.99. So it's best you take that time, gather your stuff, and set your seed and plant. Just take care of them and plant them. You set your seed and you wet them morning and evening. Plant your own stuff. It's cheaper this week. You got to go to the store and buy one plant. It costs $3. So what if you want to plant 100 plants? That's $300. Which if you do it the way I'm telling you, you wouldn't spend $20. Okay? So these are key ways of planting a garden. Might cost you $20. You do it the way I tell you. This is for the people who have the backyard and the grass and the bush. If you don't have it, you got to do what you got to do. Okay? But to the people who have the backyard, you can save a lot of money by using the grass, the leaf, and all these kind of things, and mix them with the dirt, and they will become manure. Okay? They will become manure for your plant. So I have onion, and I have potato, and I have edibles. So that's why I got to start digging, because I have a lot of work to do. Okay? So I don't know if you guys able to see, but these are banks that I already start digging. All right? So I encourage each and every one of you, if you have the space in your backyard, use it up. I have some containers that I want to plant some potato into, because I want to show my viewers, if you don't have the backyard, you could still plant. All right? So I'm going to show you that in the next video. So enjoy you all self. Have a blessed day. And don't forget, like, subscribe, and share. And let's get ready to start our garden for 2021. All right? You guys have a blessed day.